Well, gentlemen of the press, I'm Are Oladotun Hassan, the Executive Project Director, Lawyers for Reformation Group, for Reform Group. We are here today after 7 days ultimatums against the Executive Director of the NEXIM Bank, Stella Okotete, appointment in respect of the violation of the CBN's Act. Today, in fulfillment of our demand that after 7 days we will kickstart strict legal sanction against Mr. President. As of today, we are here at the ICPC office to submit a formal petition to the chairman of ICPC to critically investigate Stella Okotete's appointment, especially its fraudulent misrepresentation and lies, deceit, that earned him that position of the executive director of the NEXIM Bank in gross violation of the CBN's Act and the Senate resolution of the Senator Samuel Anyanwu's led committee in 2019. These are fundamental demands that would demand that the ICPC should investigate, and while we are also going by our reaction afterwards of our 7 days demand, which we came here about on the 1st of December. Today is 8th day of December. We are here to see Mr. President reacting. We wrote to the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Mr. Boss Mustafa. We sought the intervention of the EU. We sought the intervention of the President of the Nigerian Bar Association. We sought the intervention of the IGP. We sought the intervention of the American and the UK embassies, just for us to achieve justice, that enough is enough for people to take us for granted. And that is why on our own part as well, this is a matter that is at the Federal High Court, an order of mandamus that we are seeking to mandate Mr. President to act on the removal of Stella Okotete, is to show that we meant what we said, and we are not here to mince words, that we are going to pursue this matter to the letter for the interest of justice, for the interest of equity, for the interest of fairness, for what is good to the Uganda is good for all of us as Nigerians. No Nigerians is more Nigerian than all of us. And for better sake, coming to this place today is to show to the chairman of ICPC that we call on you to do the needful. We know you are capable to investigate all officials of government. We believe that Stella Okotete should not be an exemption. We believe that our demands are properly well evidenced, and we have attached all necessary documents, including the resolution of the Senate, including the CBN's resolution and act. We've also attached all the flimsy excuses that she was relying on, that nothing we want to repeat protects Stella Okotete. No exemption for Stella Okotete to retain the position, or the reliance of NEXIM Bank. And we're also aware that some lawyers are also going about with frivolous claims by one Fashe. We want to report that whoever that is aiding Stella Okotete will also be taken for aiding and abetting crime. And it is on this note we submit that Mr. President should act now and remove Stella Okotete before it becomes a monumental embarrassment to the whole nation. Thank you and God bless.